southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Valley View, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Hershey, Colonial Park, Palmyra, Linglestown, Anvil, Huddlestown, Cornwall, Myerstown, Paxtonia, Skyline View, Campbelltown, Pleasant Hill, Sand Hill, Unionstown, Lebanon South, Cleona, Avon, Richland, and Fredericksburg. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 259 to 264. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 72 to 92. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin and Lebanon.